In the turbulent waters of the Red Sea, tensions escalate as Yemen's Houthi rebels strike once again, targeting international vessels amid the backdrop of Israel's offensive in Gaza. Reports emerge of the British oil tanker Andromeda Star sustaining minor damage from naval missiles launched by the Houthis. Despite the attack, the vessel continues its journey unimpeded. Fortunately, no injuries were reported among the maritime military coalition deployed in the area to counter such attacks. Meanwhile, in Yemen's airspace, a US MQ-9 Reaper drone is shot down by Houthi forces while allegedly conducting hostile missions. The incident marks the third US drone downed by the Houthis since the conflict escalated. The US military has yet to comment on the incident, but CBC News confirms the crash, sparking an ongoing investigation. This recent activity follows Houthis' claim of targeting the Israeli ship MSC Darwin in the Gulf of Aden and launching attacks on Israel's southern port city of Eilat. In response to these events, Houthi leader Abdel Malik al-Houthi vows to continue their offensive, dismissing suggestions of diminished capabilities. Addressing demonstrators in Sana'a, he declares a new theater of confrontation targeting ships in the Indian Ocean. The Houthis demand a cessation of their attacks on maritime routes if Israel halts its offensive in Gaza, highlighting the impact on global trade and traffic of Israel's Eilat port. Across Yemen, millions join weekly protests expressing solidarity with Palestinians and condemning Israel and its allies. Initially targeting Israel-linked ships, the Houthis have expanded their scope to include US and UK vessels in response to military actions by Washington and London in Yemen. As tensions continue to shimmer in the Red Sea and beyond, the implications of these maritime clashes extend far beyond the waters of Yemen.